Intuit ProLine Tax Research, powered by BNA, is an advanced research tool built directly into your ProSeries program. As you can see on the right side of my screen, there's a tab for tax research, and this is where I use the application. The tax research powered by BNA will save you time and help you find the right answers at a price that you can afford. And the great thing is, it receives a 5-star rating from the CPA Technology Advisor. So let's take a quick look at tax research powered by BNA. So we'll double click on our client file and open up a sample tax return. So what you're going to notice is up on the right hand side of my screen is the research tool. It's always available up on the right just by clicking on the tax research button. So I really never have to leave ProSeries to do the research that I want. The really nice thing about this is as you click between your input screens, let's say it's Schedule B, we automatically provide you a list of the recommended topics for the screen that you're on. And that is our first level of searching within this application. And as I click between Schedule SE on the left, you'll notice that it's self-employment tax return, self-employment tax, and I just click the item that I'd like to research, and we're going to pull up the BNA research tool, and it's going to list the item that we clicked on in this case, which was self-employment tax. So this is the first level, and you can see I've got codes and regs that I can link on and click and actually drill and search within a search within the application. So that's the first step of tax research. The second way is to simply go into the search box and type in a description for something like alimony. When I click the search button, it's going to again call up BNA and give us a list of every place in BNA where we see the term alimony. So here we have all lists. What is not alimony? Alimony, child support and property settlements, or alimony and child support. And I click here, and it's going to drop me down another level and give me all of the research for the particular topic. Again, you have the regs link here, and it's giving me all the information for the topic that I've searched on. So that's the second way. The final way to search is simply by clicking a table of contents button. And that way, maybe you're not sure what you're looking for. We're going to give you a listing of everything that's available in BNA and on the left-hand side of your page, and then you simply click on the items that you want. So you'll see over here I have BNA analysis, Treasury regs, IRS publications, state regulations, state summaries. So in this case, I'm in the analysis section, and maybe I want to drop into deductions. It's going to take me to the deductions section and show me a listing for all the different deductions that I can search on as well. So really 3 different levels, but you never have to leave ProSeries. But the initial level of research or searching is context sensitive and found right on the right hand side of your screen. What I really like about this too, and one of the things that we find from doing what we call follow me to the offices visits, where we go out into our clients' offices and watch them work, is that when people do research that's applicable for a particular client, what they'll typically do is print the research and put it in their filing cabinet, or they print it and send it to some type of a document management system. Well, we've taken that and tried to really streamline the process for how you save your research that you've done on a particular client. So let's say I was in self-employment tax again. We click here. It's going to again launch BNA. It's going to show me all the hits that I get for self-employment tax, and I find the particular thing that I'd like to see. In this case, here's a listing under self-employment tax. At the bottom, we now have a button that says Attach to Return. So rather than printing it and sticking a filing cabinet, you can just click Attach to Return, and we're going to ask you, are you sure? Yes, attach it, and it says Document Attached. So now what you have the ability to do anytime from here on out is to click the Attached Articles button, and we're going to bring up a list of all of the applicable research you've done for this client appended into an ongoing list. So you always have the research that you've done at your fingertips rather than having to go sort or go look in your filing cabinet or anywhere else. This brings it in as part of your ProSeries data file, which is a really huge benefit. Okay? You can access over 1.5 million sections, articles, charts, letters, and documents from federal and state expert summaries. You just seen the audit trail where we can append research to clients' returns to save later. And you saw the 3 different ways that we can search within the BNA tool or Intuit ProLine Tax Research. An excellent tool. I think you get a lot of benefit from it, and it's very, very simple to use.